LIMS software provides a powerful tool for faculty members to analyze student data and academic performance. Aptly named reports, faculty members can use this module to access information on student performance in various courses and classes. What's more, LIMS offers reporting tools that incorporate visually appealing data visualization techniques, which can help faculty members identify patterns and develop effective strategies to enhance student performance. The reports section has some great tools for super admins and faculty members to use. One of the valuable tools available to educators is the Performance tool, which visually represents their students' performance metrics. With this tool, faculty can quickly evaluate their students' grades and scores for various assignments, evaluations, standardized tests, and formative assessments. Also, course instructors can compare and analyze the performance of individual students or groups to identify trends and areas that require attention. Another helpful tool that educators can use is assessments. This feature allows faculty members to view the performance and metrics of individual assignments and tests. They can filter these assessments based on different criteria, such as students, courses, programs, dates, and other custom types. They can use this information to draw insights about a student's strengths and weaknesses and help them accordingly.